All right, coming to you with another dorm room essential. So this is a air purifier, and it's so simple and easy to use. And let me open it up to show you. It's quite cute as well. So you get the packaging, the instructions. This is the piece that's going to go into the wall. It's like plug-in air purifier. Okay, and then you have this. Excited to use this. I will attach it and show it how it looks on the wall. Also, you can replace the filters. So here are the filters. And yeah, so this is what you can clean these first, like wipe them down, and then you can also replace them. So let's see how they look plugged into the wall. Okay, so I've attached a plug piece, and we are just gonna find a spot. There we go. So it's plugged in. And then there's a little button on the side that you press to go through. Oh, there, you can see the light. Oh, and then the second mode has a fan. This is a light fan without any light. And then this is the higher fan with no light. And mode 5 is off, so it's not on at all. Then let's see how it looks with the lights off. Okay, so we can't fully tell because it is not dark here, but this is with the blinds closed. And this is on high level 2. That's on the low level with no light. High level with no light, and off. Very cool. I'm excited about this.